back with another review. Today we got the Adidas ZX 100 Simpson Flaming Moes. Let's get into it. Out box. Okay. Let's get both of them out. Get both of them out here. Let's get them both out. It's very light pair. Alright, let's get into these details. Off rip, just the look of these, it got kind of like an animated look to them. Like all the outlines on the sneaker are real pronounced. There's nothing subtle in this shoe, but it comes together very well. The shades of purple. It's mainly two shades of purple, a deep purple and like a little lighter one. Very dope. Like I said, it comes together nice. Start at the toe box. It's like we have a felt suede here. Pretty cool, decent quality, and that's going around the whole shoe. On the eyelets, that felt suede, that purple felt suede. Go to the toe box, full mesh in a deep purple, court purple, deep purple. Very dope. And the mesh runs throughout the tongue, mesh tongue, and the sides, as well as the back. Take a quick look at the back here, right here. Red mesh. Comes together nicely. 3 stripes. With the flames. Yeah, very light, like I mentioned. We got Flaming Moe on the tongue. Midsole, white midsole. Hints of red on the back heel. Let's take a look at the outsole. We have the famous Flaming Moe drink pin right on the shoelace. Very dope. I dig it, man. I don't know. I like shit with like fire and flames and shit when it's done tastefully. Okay, now let's get into sizing for these. I went with the 8.5. I'm a true to size 9. For a little reference, Jordan 1s, I'm a size 9. Air Force 1s, I'm an 8.5. Air Max, size 9. I usually go with a 9 for the most part. And I went with the 8.5 here. I would say that I could have went with a 9. But the 8.5 fits very well. It's very snug. It's snug, a snug fit, but not a tight fit. It's very good for casual wear. I don't plan to run in these, so I'll be good on that point. But I say you'll be good with your true to size or you can size down. I mean half a size down. Both will work. It all depends how you trying to rock them. Like if you want a little more extra toe room and whatnot, then just go true to size. But if you like that snug fit, half size down. Alright, my overall thoughts, man, I'm impressed. They look way better in person than they do online. Cause all I seen online was the stock photos on Adidas, and those are all color corrected and all photoshopped nicely and whatnot. So I really didn't know what to expect, and that's kind of what you get nowadays anyway with every shoe. So every shoe is a surprise till you get them in hand. But yeah, it's just sneakers. Subscribe, like, comment, follow, all that. It's just sneakers.